On 31st October 2018, official Twitter handle of Goa Chief Minister posted a picture of a cabinet meeting. People of Goa, as also elsewhere, were deeply disturbed by the visual in the picture. It reflects that Shri Parrikar needs emergent medical attention rather than the grandstanding being done by BJP vis-a-vis his health for clinging to power in some fashion. All this while, the key contentious issues like the mining, the regional plan, unemployment, formalin issue, CRZ, governance, taxi, TDR, etc. are all being allowed to linger on without providing any relief or succor either to the youth of Goa or to businessmen, traders or people of Goa. The mess created by Bharatiya Janata Party in the stoppage of mining, closure of business of small traders and mismanagement of sand mining is today affecting the economy of the entire state of Goa.